Hey guys, we're doing the inventory management process today. Let's jump into creating internal products. So we're signed in as the service manager right now. We're going to go search for products. There we go, somewhere, internal products. All right, we've got quite a few in here already, but we're adding a new one just for this demo. We're just going to do some racks. How about that? So we activate it and add it into one of these internal products. We're going to do cleaning tools, save, and that's how you create the product. Now we have to create a location if we don't already have it and add it to that. We already have locations, so we're just going to go into the related tab, the related list for product items, click new. This is how you create a product item. We're going to add it to the main office. Let's say we've got 10 of them. Cool. So that's done. Now we are going to still, as a service manager, we're going to add the products that we need into the work types so that whenever we add the work type to an estimate, it'll actually auto-populate everything that the appointment is going to need. So we're going to use the routine residential cleaning right now. Under product required related lists, we're going to go ahead and add this testing rag. Let's say we need 2. Probably need more than that, but let's just say 2. Cool. Go in, see all of the ones, and there it is, testing rag. So now it's ready to be added to a work order line item, which is what we're going to do right now as the account executive. So whenever the account executive sells a work order, they add this to each line item, the work type. Once they do, I already had this work order, by the way, so I'm just adding this into it just for this demo. So we can go ahead and check product required, and there it is, testing rag. So now I need to go into the background because I can only use one dispatcher license because it's a demo org. I'm gonna assign that appointment to the tech in the background. So now we're in as the tech in the field service app. And it's not under products, it's actually under related. So we're going to go to related. We can see the products required. There we go. There they are. And testing rag is right there. So now the tech knows that they need the testing rag, but they have a problem. You can see at the top, the products required are missing. So they're going to create the product request. There's a limitation in the field service app, though. We actually cannot create a product request from the field service app. So instead, we're going to go back to the work order and open in Salesforce. So this opens up the Salesforce app, and we're still logged in as the service tech. So from the Salesforce app, then we can create the product request. It'll open up the line item and scroll down. We can go to the product related list or not. Let's just refresh. Cool. Product request. There we go. This is a future improvement opportunity. We can add a custom button to the field service app, but for right now, we can just do it this way. It is a few more steps, but it's okay. So we're going to fill out the information that we need. This could definitely use a custom button to bring in all this information from the line item, but there we go. Product request. This is the parent object, so we still need line items just like work orders. So the line item, there we go. Now we've got the testing rag. We need 2 of them. And that's it. Now it's created. So now we're going to go back in as the service manager and initiate the product transfer. This is the dispatcher console. Ignore those service appointments. We need to catch up on some vehicle maintenance. So we're moving on. I'm gonna go find the work order that we were on. It's this one, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so into the line item. And under the product related list, there we go. There it is. Another future improvement opportunity to add this to the service manager home screen. So here it is. This is what we need. We're going to go into the related list for product transfer, and now we can create it. We need the rag. Click. Maybe. Okay. Let's say they're there. They're in front of me and they want it right now. So in transit. I don't remember what the line item number is, so I'm going to skip this. Future improvement opportunity. Destination, we know it's going to truck 1. And sent today. I think that's all we need, hopefully. Boom. Oh, no. Oh, right. Yep, it is not sent. I'm going to remove that. Just because it doesn't have a serial number. That's fine. So there we go. That's created. Now let's see if the service tech, oh, they could not see the product transfer because of course I did not link it. So there we go. Now it's linked. I definitely needed that. So there we go. All right. So now everything's related. Now you can go back in as the service tech and they should be able to see it now. We're back in the same work order. Product request. There we go. Into the product transfer or not. Refresh. There we go. There it is. There's the product transfer. And you can go into detail. Nope. Yes, edit. Edit the details. We got 2 of them. Received. Boom. Done. Now, if you go into the details, and if we scroll down and go into the truck, we can just check that the truck actually has the rag. Or rags. Nope. Related. Yes. Okay. Product item. We got a rag, people. We got 2 of them. Let's get to work.